Laser Build-Off. Choose your character. Jordan. Begin.
Not bad. Okay, so I did a sword from an anime called Kill la Kill. So this is actually one half of a pair of scissors that I made. And I decided to use EVA foam because I'm familiar with EVA foam. What I ended up doing was coring out about 1/8 of an inch in between it so that I could sandwich a piece of board in between there to give it some strength. The hardest part about this build was sanding it. EVA foam does not like to sand smooth at all, so it takes a lot of work, and that was very challenging, and even then I wasn't very successful at it. I decided to use some leather wraps to give it a little bit of detail. I just went in with a magic marker and drew out the details there, and that's my Kill la Kill sword. Is that cool? All right.